Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Lite smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with an iPhone. First, we need to turn on our watch. You can do it by pressing and holding the side button. After the watch turns on, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Now find the language you like to use on your watch, tap on it to select it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. Now you should see the QR code on the screen of the watch. That means we need to download and install the Mibro Fit application on our iPhone. And we can do it in two ways. We can either scan the QR code with the camera app on our iPhone, or we can open the App Store on our iPhone, tap on search, tap on the search bar, type in on Mibro. Mibro Fit, then tap search, and you should see this application right here. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the button right here to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on open button to open it. Now we can allow the permission for the location. You can allow it or deny it. Here we can allow app to use the Bluetooth. Also, I forgot to mention that, but before we continue, let's allow the permissions. And once we're done, check if the Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone, because if it's not, you won't be able to pair the devices. As you can see, on mine is enabled, so we can tap on Open Mibro Fit. Here we need to log in into an account. You can also create a new account if you need to by tapping registration, or you can use the third-party application or third-party account rather to log in. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address, then tap right here and enter the password, so give me a couple of seconds. And once you're done, make sure that this box is checked and then tap on login. After you log in, you should see the screen, the home screen of the application. Now tap on devices, tap on add device. Wait until the app finds your device. This watch is called XPAW004. Tap on it to select it. Then tap on pair. Tap on allow if you want to allow the iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. If you don't, tap on don't allow, and then tap on complete, and then understood. Now you should see the Mibro Lite right here on the list of devices, and it should say connected. That means that the devices are paired. And that's how you pair this watch with an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.